Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to make a bunch of skirts. Got a new sewing machine and it's over here. Oh my goodness. So now I have this one for black threads and the other one for the white threads. So I don't have to keep on changing the threads whenever I am working on light color and dark color projects. Let's get to sewing. Welcome back. Today is another day and it's time to work on a new project. So yesterday I finished 2 skirts and those are just like a athletic stretchy jersey skirt, and it took me about maybe an hour to accomplish. Those were pretty easy. So now I'm going to be working on this one, and this is such a pretty fabric. My niece sent me a photo and this was the closest fabric I could find in the fabric stores. So luckily she liked this. So now let's get to sewing. Okay everybody, today is day 3 and it's time to work on a new skirt. So in the last 2 days I already finished 3 skirts. Now it's going to be the last one. So this one is going to be pretty simple. It's basically just a pencil skirt with lining. So it's going to be a very easy project. So this is the skirt. It turned out so nice. It looks so pretty. I want one for myself. So yeah, it's so cute. I love the fabric. It's a very good thick material. Same with this one. This is a thick material, and yeah, it's not like a summery type of knit. This is like a heavy duty knit. Oh, you guys, I'm going to share with you these 2 swimsuits that I made for my girls, and these are so stinking cute. So it has like shorts inside, So this one is a separate. So yeah, this is also fully lined with paddings. I'm super excited about these projects, so I'm going to be posting that really soon. And now this is the fabric that I'm going to be using for the last skirt. I didn't really film the process of all the skirts that I had been making just because no one wants to watch that. I don't want to invest myself on filming and editing when I only get 100 views for it, so it's not worth the time and effort. And you guys like short videos, so I'm bringing you shorts. This is how I would style the skirt. So the first one is going to be super casual. I can dress it up or down just by changing the accessories. The second outfit is so cute. It's giving me a schoolgirl vibe and I absolutely love it. I also made a matching hair bow and it looks super cute. And the last outfit is so adorable as well. I paired it with neutrals and I absolutely love the way it looks. And it fits perfectly. Let me know which one is your favorite outfits. My favorite one is the second outfit.